Hi, my name is Sally Nada. I am a pharmacy student, and today I am going to present Chapter 6 Intellectual Property Strategy of Sericol XR. Quetiapine, which is the main active ingredient in Sericol, had been approved by the United States Food and Drug Administration for the treatment of schizophrenia, acute manic episodes associated with bipolar disorder, and for the treatment of bipolar depression. Then the extended release Quetiapine XR was approved also for the treatment of major depressive disorder. Okay, now in details, what was the patent history? In 1997, Quetiapine received its initial indication from the United States FDA for treatment of schizophrenia, few years later from Europe. The United States patent, which was set to expire in 2011, received an extension to 2012. In 2004, it received its second indication for the treatment of many associated bipolar disorder, and in between the year of 2007 and 2008, studies were conducted on quetiapine's efficacy in treating of anxiety disorder and depression. In the second half of 2006, AstraZeneca submitted a sustained-release version of quetiapine in the United States, Canada, and Europe, and then AstraZeneca will retain the right to market sustained-release quetiapine until 2017. In early October 2008, the FDA approved Sericol XR for the treatment of bipolar depression and bipolar mania. In fact, its development program was based on the needs of patients and physicians for a wider choice of medicines that offer once-daily dosing. And the approval of the FDA was based on clinical trial data showing effectiveness of Sericol XR at several doses such as 400, 600, and 800 mg per day. Okay, now a little background about lawsuits surrounding the AstraZeneca drug, Sericol, and litigations on it. Multiple lawsuits have been filed in relation to quetiapine side effects, in particular diabetes. In 2009, documents unsealed in litigation against AstraZeneca indicated that Dr. Charles Coles, a consultant for AstraZeneca, had misrepresented the benefits of Sericol in research presentations and press releases. In April 2010, AstraZeneca settled a long-standing United States Department of Justice investigation into its marketing of Sericol for such off-label uses, and these uses hadn't been approved by the FDA, and they enforced the company AstraZeneca to pay $520 million as fine. According to the Department of Justice, the company used doctors to serve as authors of articles that were ghost-written. AstraZeneca then used these studies and articles as the basis of messages about improved uses of Sericol. AstraZeneca's spokesperson, Christine Evrer, commented that the company takes this allegation seriously and that AstraZeneca is taking steps to reinforce policies for its sales force in regards to good interaction with physicians. AstraZeneca has won a legal battle to protect its patent on the extended-release version of antipsychotic Sericol after months of fighting with courts in Europe and the United States. On 14 February 2013, AstraZeneca announced that the United States Court of Appeals had found that the patent protecting Sericol XR was valid and infringed by many companies such as Pharma, Milan, and other companies. These companies argued that the method of using a gelling agent to create a slow-release tablet was obvious to everyone with experience of working in the field of sustained-release pharmaceutical formulations. But the judge rejected these claims and found in favor of AstraZeneca. At the final, AstraZeneca is pleased with the appellate court's decision, which again demonstrates the strength of the intellectual property protecting Sericol XR. So thank you a lot for your attention.